Hi Anna. How are you?
Hi, Tom. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. What are you doing?
I am reading a book. It is very interesting. What about you?
I am just relaxing. It is a nice day.
Yes, it is. Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here every weekend. Do you?
Sometimes. I like to read here. It is quiet and peaceful.
That's nice. What book are you reading?
It is a story about a girl and her dog. It is fun to read.
I like stories about animals. They are always interesting.
Me too. Do you like to read books?
Yes, I do. I like to read adventure books. They are exciting.
That's cool. Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, my favorite book is Treasure Island. It is about pirates and a hidden treasure.
Wow, that sounds exciting. I should read it too.
You will like it. What else do you like to do?
I like to draw and paint. It is my favorite hobby.
That is great. You are very creative.
Thank you. What about you? What do you like to do?
I like to play soccer with my friends. It is fun and good exercise.
That is nice. Soccer is a good sport.
Yes, it is. Do you play any sports?
I like to swim. It is my favorite sport.
Swimming is good exercise too. Maybe we can swim together sometime.
That sounds like a good idea. Let's do that.
Great. I have to go now. See you later, Anna.
Bye, Tom. See you later. Good morning, John.
Good morning, Lisa. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Are you going to work?
Yes, I am. I take the bus every morning. How about you?
I'm going to school. I also take the bus every day.
What time do you start school?
My classes start at 9 a.m. When do you start work?
I start work at 8:30 a.m. I like to be early.
That's good. What do you do at work?
I work in an office. I am a secretary. I answer phones and type letters. What about you? What do you study?
I study English and math. I like math, but English is hard.
English is hard, but you are doing well. Keep practicing.
Thank you. Lisa, do you have a break at work?
Yes, I have a lunch break at 12:30 p.m. I eat lunch and sometimes take a walk. Do you have a break at school?
Yes, We have a lunch break at 12 p.m. I eat lunch with my friends. What do you do after work?
After work, I go home and cook dinner. I like to watch TV and relax. What do you do after school?
I go home and do my homework. Then, I play video games or read a book.
That sounds nice. Do you like video games?
Yes, I love video games. They are fun. Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read. I read before I go to bed.
That's a good habit. Oh, here's the bus.
Yes, it's here. Let's go.
Have a good day, Lisa.
You too, John. See you later. Hi, James. How are you?
Hi, Mary. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I do. I am going to visit my grandparents. What about you?
That sounds nice. I am going to the beach with my family.
That sounds fun. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach. I like to swim and build sand castles. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I do. I like to swim and play volleyball.
Volleyball is fun. Maybe we can play together sometime.
Yes, that would be great. What else do you like to do at the beach?
I like to collect shells. There are many beautiful shells on the beach.
That's cool. I like to take photos. The beach is very pretty.
Yes, it is. Do you have a camera?
Yes, I do. I have a small camera. It takes good pictures.
That's nice. Maybe you can show me your photos sometime.
Sure, I would love to. What time are you going to the beach?
We are leaving early in the morning. What time are you visiting your grandparents?
We are leaving in the afternoon. It's a short drive.
That's good. How long will you stay with your grandparents?
We will stay for the weekend. We will come back on Sunday evening.
I hope you have a great time. Say hi to your grandparents for me.
Thank you, I will. I hope you have fun at the beach.
Thanks, James. See you on Monday.
See you, Mary. Have a nice weekend. Hi, Jenny. What are you eating?
Hi, Sam. I am eating a sandwich. What about you?
I am eating a salad. Do you like sandwiches?
Yes, I do. Sandwiches are my favorite. Do you like salads?
Yes, I like salads. They are healthy and tasty.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza with lots of cheese. What about you?
I like pizza too, but my favorite food is sushi. It is very delicious.
Sushi is good. I like to eat it with soy sauce. Do you like soy sauce?
Yes, I do. Soy sauce makes sushi taste even better. Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook at home often. I like to make pasta. Do you cook?
Sometimes. I like to make breakfast. I can cook eggs and pancakes.
That sounds good. I like pancakes. Do you put syrup on them?
Yes, I love syrup on pancakes. It makes them sweet.
Do you like fruit on your pancakes?
Yes, I like to put strawberries and bananas on my pancakes. Do you like fruit?
Yes, I love fruit. My favorite fruits are apples and grapes.
Apples are good. I like green apples. They are a little sour.
I like red apples. They are sweet. Do you like to drink juice?
Yes, I like orange juice. It is very refreshing. What about you?
I like apple juice. It is very tasty.
We both like apples. That's funny.
Yes, it is. We should have lunch together more often.
I agree. It is fun to talk about food. Let's meet again next week.
That sounds good. See you next week.
See you, Jenny.